All right, you guys, real quick, I wanted to shoot this video to show you guys some results from utilizing our golden key strategy. Not only the strategy, I'm going to put the lights on and I'm going to show you the perfect entry trading tool on TradingView that would have given you the buy or the sell signals on gold. This is the past 4 trades utilizing the strategy and the confirmations with the PET system. I already lined them up. I'm not going to go into detail what the strategy is. That is for our elite and our exclusive team members only. But as you can see here, if we had to take this trade based off of this strategy, this trade would have given us over 204 pips to the upside. That's 204 pips on one trade. The following day, we got another setup on this trade. This trade was about 180 to 190 pips. So that's about 400 pips to the downside here. Actually, being that the market kept going down, if you had held this trade for the following days, you would have caught well over 400 pips on this trade as well. So that's a possible 400 pips plus 200 pips. This trade actually went down 400 pips as well. And this trade went down 125 pips. That is 400, 800, over 1,000, over 1,100 pips all this week. Well, the last 4 trades trading gold alone. I'm telling you, the strategy has a 90% win ratio. You can focus strictly on gold, trade gold, and become a very successful, highly successful trader in the market. You can simplify it. You don't have to go through all of these charts, going through all of these pairs, trying to find different setups. I can show you a strategy that where you can focus strictly on gold, trade gold on a daily basis. And if you had to utilize the strategy alone, you would have caught well over 1,000 pips in the last 4 to 5 days. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna also turn the lights on and I'm gonna show you our perfect entry trading system. Now, the system is going to tell you when to sell. The system is also going to tell you when to buy. Right now, we're on an hour chart. Notice it gave us the sell to the downside. If I had to went down on a lower time frame, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up. I'm gonna go down to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 15-minute. Just gotta move this out the way. Notice where it gave us the sell entry at. Note, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. But notice where this sell entry came. It came at the very top of the sell. So not only will you have caught this entire move or this entire move, the indicator gave you the sell. For all 3 days, this is a buy day. This was a buy day. Notice it gave you the buy. Notice here, we was going on a buy based off the strategy to catch this 204 pips. There is a strategy you could have used to catch this entire ride up. Notice the indicator gave you the buy. It gave us the buy. Not only did it give us the buy, it also gave us the sell for this 400 pip move to the downside. And it's still going. This is one of the tools that you will receive once you become a part of our team. Not only will you teach you the strategy, not only will you have access to this amazing tool, but you can also get access to the platform's training. There's exclusive strategies in the platform itself, taught by a very highly successful traders. One of the most successful traders in the game is showing you his strategies as well. So not only as a bonus will you get access to our tools, the PET's perfect entry trading system on TradingView. Not only that, we're going to give you the secret sauce. Only for our elite members, you will receive the secret sauce of the golden key strategy. But of course, on top of that, you'll get access to the platform as well. We are also teaching, shout out to Taz, we're also teaching binary options trading to where you can get on a live session 2 times a week and you can trade with us live. The last session we had was yesterday, Tuesday morning. Everybody that was on that session that took the trades on the session ended up profiting by the time the session was over. There were people that have never traded binary options before and they walked away with profit. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss this wave. We're building some major key players inside of our team. We're bringing the dream team back. We got some exclusive traders that's on the team, not only myself, but other six-figure traders, other six-figure entrepreneurs that's not only going to help you learn this skill set, but we have a unique opportunity to where you can receive weekly residual income just for being a part of our team. Our compensation plan is unmatched. The binary build that we have is much easier than most of these tri-matrix compensation plans out there. For my marketers, if you're looking for something that you know that your team will be satisfied with, if you've watched this video, our tool alone in our Winning Circle group, our perfect entry trading tool and the strategy gave over 1,000 pips in the last 4 days. Your team will get access to that as a bonus, but it's also going to get access to the platform itself. A highly successful trader is sharing you his secrets. A highly successful trader is trading live on the binary option side. So if you're a marketer or if you have a team and you want to make sure that your team is taken care of, baby, I'm telling you, we have some very successful trades going on inside of our group. We got people that are finally getting the profits that they deserve. And we're simplifying it to where you don't have to trade everything all the time. You don't have to overwhelm yourself with all of these different charts, all of these different markups. I'm telling you, when I show you the golden key, it is called the golden key for the reason, because it is the key to your financial future. All you have to focus on is gold on a daily basis. And if you had have done that, I mean, there's other ways you could have made money in the market throughout this week as well. There was some great movements going on in Bitcoin, US 30, NASDAQ, all of that. When I show you the strategy, you can utilize it for that as well. But to simplify your trading style, to simplify your trading plan, all you have to focus on is our golden key strategy, utilizing the perfect entry trading system on TradingView, and you could have caught 1,000 pips last week. So don't allow another day to go by without you getting access to the tools, the training, the traders, and the opportunity that's going to set you financially free. Get in contact with me or anybody that's on our Winning Circle team. Let's get you plugged in. Let's get you some more info. That way we can share with you the strategy. Once you become an elite mentor, we will share with you the strategy. You're going to get access to this tool that you're watching on TradingView immediately. As soon as you join, you will get access to the perfect entry trading system tool. The tool is giving you the sell, the tool is giving you the buy. This tool is based off of order flow and order block concepts. It is the concepts that the banks use. It is the concepts that the market makers use to where they find precise entries. You do not want to trade against the banks. You want to trade with them. So when they make a move, when they're coming into the market, you want to know about it. We're going to teach you and show you how you can find where the money makers or the market movers are at in the market. Therefore, you can ride the wave or ride with the trend, because they say the trend is your friend. You deserve to be successful as well. So if you're not successful in trading, if you've been going down the roller coaster ride of trying to figure out what fits best for you, I'm telling you, all you have to do is focus simply on our strategy, utilizing our tools for confirmation, and you will become a successful trader by the end of the year. I see you guys in the next video. I'm telling you, don't let this opportunity pass you by. Get in contact with me so I can get you plugged in, get you access to the tool so you can finally start making profits on a consistent basis. I'll see you guys on the other side.